Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 10, Exponents and Powers, exercise 10.1, question number 7. The question is, we need to simplify the first and second subdivision problems. So coming to the first subdivision, we have 25 t power minus 4 divided by 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8. So generally we know that whenever we have power as negative terms, we need to convert the negative power into positive power. So how we can convert that? That is, if we have a power minus m, when we bring this term to the denominator, then the base becomes the same a, but negative power becomes positive power, it becomes plus m. Similarly, whenever we have 1 by a power minus m, when we take this term to the numerator, the base becomes a will be same, but minus m will become plus m. So like that, numerator term we can bring it to the denominator, denominator term we can bring it to the numerator, and the base remains the same but power changes. So using that, how we can write this term? 25 and then t power minus 4, when it goes to the denominator it becomes t power plus 4. Similarly, this 5 power minus 3, when it goes to the numerator, it becomes 5 power plus 3. And then into 10. Into 10 will become 10 as it is. There is no change in the term 10. And then into t power minus 8. Again t power minus 8 means the negative power we have, so take it to the numerator. So we have into t power 8. So like this, first convert your negative powers and all into positive power terms. So we have 25 as it is. This t power minus 4, when it goes to the denominator it becomes t power plus 4. This 10 will remain as it is, and then t power minus 8, when it goes to the numerator it becomes t power plus 8. So once you have done that, just simplify this term. So while simplifying this 25, I can write it as what? 5 into 5. Why? Because the other terms here it is 5 power 3. So let us convert this 25 also into 5 terms. So 25 I can write it as 5 into 5, and then again I have 5 power 3 into t power 8. Denominator t power 4. Since numerator all the terms are in 5, let us convert this 10 into 5s also. So 10 I can write it as what? 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. So I can write it as 5 into 2. Because 5 into 5 it is 25. So I cannot write like that. So 10 it is nothing but 5 into 2. So once you have simplified, now what are all the terms I can combine? Here also 5, here also 5, here also 5 power 3, here also 5. So all these terms I can combine. And similarly, what are all the other terms I can combine? Here t term, here also t term. These two terms I can combine. So 2 remains same, there is no change in your 2. So other terms I can combine. So for that, first of all, let us combine the term whichever it is in the numerator. So 5 into 5 power 3. So meaning that here it is 5 power 1. Just 5 means it is 5 power 1. Similarly, the next term it is 5 power 1. Why? Because 5 it is nothing but 5 power 1. And then next term it is 5 power 3. So using the rule, that is a power m into a power n. So when we have same base but different power, then I can add your power. That is, the base remains same a and it becomes m plus n. So using that rule, how I can write? The base remains same, 5 remains same. So what are all the power? Here it is 1. So plus again another power it is 1, plus again another power it is 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 5 power 1 plus 1 it is 2, 2 plus 3 it is 5. 5 power 5 I have in the numerator. So if we have 2 terms, those powers I will add. If we have 3 terms, then all the 3 powers I can add. So it is 5 power 5. 5 power 5 into t power 8 divided by t power 4 into 5 into 2. So now we can just rewrite this term, that is 5 terms and all I can combine and t terms and all I can combine. 5 power 5 divided by 5 I have. So these two terms I can combine, and then here numerator it is t power 8 divided by t power 4. and then apart from that in the denominator I have 2 also. So like this I can just split your 5 terms and t terms separately. So again, what is the rule? When we have different power and the same base, that is, so again we have law of exponents such that a power m divided by a power n. So when we have same base but different power, we can write it as a power m minus n. So base is the same, right? So base is same, but here the power is m, here the power is n. So we can write it as a power m minus n. So using that rule, whenever I don't have any power, meaning that it is 5 power 1. Okay, so I can write this term as 5 power 5 minus 1 into t power. So let us combine these two terms, 8 minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 power 5 minus 1, it is 4, into t power 8 minus 4, it is 4 divided by 2. So just multiply these two terms. So since I cannot combine 5 and t, right? So 5 power 4 remains as it is, t power 4 remains as it is. So 5 power 4 I can simplify. 5 power 4 is nothing but 5 is multiplied for 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 is multiplied for 4 times. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 into 5. So 5 5s are 25 and then 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 it is 12, balance is 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 it is 6. So it is 625. So final answer it is 625 and t power 4, because I cannot simplify this term. T power 4 remains same as it is, t power 4 divided by 2. So this is the answer for the first subdivision. So let us see the second subdivision. We have 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5. So this is the second problem. Let us simplify this. So here also first let us convert your negative power into positive power terms. So 3 power minus 5, when it goes to the denominator, how it becomes? It becomes just 3 power 5. 10 power minus 5, when it goes to the denominator, it becomes 10 power 5. 5 power minus 7, when it goes to the numerator, it becomes 5 power 7. 6 power minus 5, when it goes to the numerator, it becomes 6 power 5. And then this 125 remains same as it is. There is no change in the 125. So just you can write it as multiply by 125. There is no change in that. And then once you have done, so just split and write the terms, factorize your terms and write the bigger terms. So how we can write? 5 power 7 into 6, I can write it as what? 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 the whole power 5. So 6 I can write it as 2 into 3. And then into 125, how I can write 125? 125 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, which is nothing but 5 power 3. 5 is repeated for 3 times. So it is 5 power 3. So 125 I can write it as 5 power 3 divided by 3. I cannot split, just 3 power 5 remains same as it is. 10, how I can write? 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10, the whole power 5. So once you have done that, whichever the terms you can combine, those terms you can combine. So what are all the terms available? I have 5 power 7, 5 power 3, 5 power 5. These 3 terms I can combine. Similarly, I have 3 power 5, 3 power 5 here, and then 2 power 5, 2 power 5 I have. So first of all, let us split this term, right? That is, if I have the term a into b the whole power m, this power is common for both the terms. So I can write it as what? A power m into b power m. So I can write in the numerator as 5 power 7 into, this 5 is applicable for both the terms. So 2 power 5 into 3 power 5 into 5 power 3 divided by 3 power 5 into, this 5 is applicable for both the terms, 2 power 5 into 5 power 5. So once you have seen here also 2 power 5, here also 2 power 5. Denominator 1 2 power 5, numerator 1 2 power 5, you can cancel out. Similarly, here also 3 power 5, here also 3 power 5, you can cancel out. So what are the remaining terms? Only 5 power terms are remaining. So those terms you can combine. So using the law of exponents, that is a power m into a power n. So if I have same base but different power, I can add your power, a power m plus n. So using that, I have 5 power 7 into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power 5. So these two terms I can combine. So 5 power 7 plus 3 divided by 5 power 5, which is equal to 5 power 7 plus 3, it is nothing but a 10 divided by 5 power 5. Again we have the rule a power m divided by a power n. I can write it as a power m minus n. So using that, how I can write this term? 5 power 10 minus 5. So it is nothing but 5 power 5. 10 minus 5, it is nothing but 5. So 5 power 5. Find out the 5 power 5. So 5 power 5 is nothing but 5 is multiplied for 5 times. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. Already in the previous problem we have seen. So 625 into 5. 625 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Here it is 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 it is 12. And then balance 1. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 it is 31. So it is 3125. So 5 power 5, it is nothing but 3125. This is the final answer for the second subdivision. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.